Every time you have a chance to be in front of the mirror, you need to use that time to reprogram your posture. So for example, in the morning when you go to the bathroom, you want to look at yourself. The first thing you want to do is make sure your head is properly positioned in front of the mirror. Your eyes should be level. You cannot have a head tilt. Keep your head level and shoulders back and level too. So this is the base number one of your posture. The head tilt, the vision, and not having the head looking down, but forward here, chin up and shoulders level, okay? And you relax, you breathe, and you smile. If you smile, you're gonna be happier for that day. So keep smiling, okay? And do it all. If you reprogram yourself, it's gonna give you the first position. Repositioning will help you greatly in life. Your nervous system will work well, you're gonna stay in adjustment, and that's our goal. If you stay in adjustment, you're gonna heal. So do the best you can, and your life will be improved, I guarantee you.